Greetings and welcome. Here is some footage of when my hair was straightened. I was at work and I had to keep my hair down because it would shrink up with the humidity and the heat. So now I'm taking it down since I'm off work and I want to do a Bantu knot out. So here is what my hair is looking like with that braid out. It's looking so good. And I'm enjoying that I'm able to brush through and massage my scalp with this brush. It feels so good. Why straighten your hair if you can't play in it? Comb through it and enjoy it. You can enjoy your 4C hair in any state you want once you have your hair moisture trained and your hair can do anything. And here I am adding more shea butter because my hair loves butter to give it that slip, that protection, and that shine. This is how I do my Bantu knots. I just twist the hair. First of all, brush it through smoothly. Make sure you have enough product on it, which is shea butter for me. And I'm twisting that hair tightly around. I'm squeezing that hair so tight that the product will be coming through. Smoothing it down as I go and twirling the hair. Twirling the hair, twisting the hair in a rope-like motion, squeezing that product out and wrapping that hair around loosely though. The knot itself is going to be loose at the base and taking it around and around so it is able to tuck up under itself and it should stay in place. But just to be safe, I'm going to be adding a small band on there to keep it in place. This is what the back is looking like after taking that braid out. It was a looser braid, so you see the definition is a little bit looser, but the hair is looking really nice and the growth is real. Again, my hair loves to be brushed. My scalp loves the feeling of this brush. It's just massaging, and I know it's causing more growth rather than breakage because my hair is well moisture trained, strong, and my hair has really changed over my growth journey challenge. It's definitely stronger due to some of the herbs and washes that I'm using, like fenugreek, hibiscus, cactus, okra, just to name a few. Although my hair is straightened, I love putting the shea butter in it. My hair is just the right heaviness. It's not too heavy for me. It still moves. And I love the look of the Bantu knot out, the braid out, the twist out, or whatever when my hair is straight while using my oils and butters still. I don't like my hair being totally dry. It makes my hair too light and feathery. I'm just twirling that section around and around until it starts to curl on its own a little bit like that. And loosely spinning the hair around loosely, although the twirl itself is very tight. But the circle around and around that it's making, starting out loosely so the hair can twist up underneath. And here I'm finished. And that is how I do my Bantu knots or Buddha curls. I heard 22nd century natural woman say that, and I love that. Okay, so I didn't get any footage of that Bantu knot out that I can find, but here is an example of what it looked like, but on mini twist. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.